A very good morning to all of you guys. We are here in Corniche in Al Khobar, Saudi Arabia, and we are trying to get a short video here from some folks who enjoyed fishing here in this side of the Corniche. See, there are many folks here. They scattered around. They enjoyed fishing the whole weekend. It's 7 o'clock here in the morning, and you can see the sun. A very sunny day. Mostly Filipinos here, they are fishing. They said they always catch big fishes here in this side of the Corniche area. Right there, over there is the bridge connecting Al Khobar, Saudi Arabia to Bahrain. But right now we could not see it because it's not so clear. When the weather is so clear and the sky is deep blue, we can easily see the bridge, the long bridge connecting Al Khobar, Saudi Arabia to Bahrain. So take a look, guys. It's a very nice place. There is the water tower in the background, the buildings and the city. It's very close to the city proper, this Corniche, which is the seaside area of Al Khobar. This place is very suitable for all those enthusiasts who like to do other exercises or routine during the weekend. Biking, walking, running. Enjoying the sunlight, enjoying the sea breeze, and a very soothing view of the area. There are many trees here, and also some flowers, but they removed the flowers and they replaced it with new ones. I don't know why. Maybe they need new flowers. Those flowers are already having different colors of flowers. You can see the sea. In that far side, you can see logo of McDonald's. So it's very close here, around maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna continue this with another video. I just take a pause and take some water and the apple which I bring here. I just finished my routine walking, alternate walking and jogging. It's very good exercise for your cardio and for your lungs, for your mind and body. So whenever you have time, you can also try to do it, walking and jogging under the bright sunlight. This is very very good and perfect if you are planning to have a good cardio, to develop your cardio. So that's all for now. I will continue with another video, and thank you for watching. See you guys.